Air fryer corn ribs, elote style with a lime crema. Smoky, cheesy, spicy, and absolutely delicious. Start by cutting 2 ears of corn into fourths. The easiest way to do this is trim off the ends, stand the corn up, and carefully rock your knife back and forth. Now toss those corn ribs into a bowl with olive oil, smoked paprika, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Give everything a good mix, and if it looks a little dry, add another drizzle of olive oil. Next, toss them into an air fryer preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, flipping halfway through. While those are cooking, let's make that lime crema. In a bowl, mix a 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of mayo, a 1/4 teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, chipotle chili powder, and the juice of half a lime. Mix it till everything's smooth. Now look at that. Charred edges, curled up ribs, and already packed with flavor. But we're not done. Plate them up, finish them with cotija, feta, or Parmesan cheese, fresh cilantro, and that lime crema. Smoky, creamy, cheesy, spicy, and absolutely delicious. Now don't forget to check back next week for my next air fryer victory.